We're recording? Yeah, I guess so. Check this out, guys. We're actually in a live recording studio. This is where they do some footage for Hawaii News Now. See my brother right there. Brother Isness. So see all the monitors. This is what we're doing, man. Look at that. Do you see this? Millions of dollars worth of equipment. And we are here. Don't know what we're doing here, but we're still waiting. This is day 2 of the Pacific Sessions EP. And we're actually waiting for a parking pass because we're gonna start recording soon. So yeah, we're here waiting, anticipating. He's just about to go park the truck. So I'll see you in a little bit. Deuces.